This historic budget changes everything for India and creates huge new opportunities for your money.
Essential cancer medicines are now tax-free, making critical treatment more affordable for millions of Indian families and easing pressure on their savings.
Travelers and students benefit as tax on foreign payments now drops to 2%, so your international trips and education plans become easier on your pocket. Stock market traders now face higher costs as taxes on futures and options trading jump sharply, so retail investors in India must stay careful with short-term speculation. Defense spending now hits record levels to modernize the armed forces and boost local manufacturing of equipment, which supports Indian jobs and strengthens long-term security. 7 new high-speed rail corridors will link India's major cities, cutting travel time, helping daily commuters, and making business trips and tourism much smoother. Farmers now get a powerful new artificial intelligence platform called Bharat that gives real-time advice on crops and prices. India now challenges global rivals by pouring massive investment into computer chip factories and biopharma labs. The government is putting record money into infrastructure, from highways and freight corridors to new city projects, which can create jobs today. This budget sets the foundation for a developed India by 2047 and positions the country to attract global wealth, technology, and long-term partnerships.